Merħba minn ġdid minn ġewwa Turin fejn qed isiru preparamenti tal-Eurovision Song Contest ta' din is-sena. Teb ngħidilkom illi l-arena illi ntużat din is-sena iġib l-isem ta' Pala Sport Olimpico, magħrufa wkoll bħala Pala Alpitur. Damet biex timbena sentejn u intużat għall-ewwel darba fl-2006 għall-Olimpjadi. Pala Sport Olimpico fejn qed isir Eurovision din is-sena titqis bħala waħda mill-ikbar arena li nsibu fl-Italja u jsiru ħafna avvenimenti u kunċerti kbar. Issa imiss il-meet and greet fejn Emma ħatat il-mistoqsijiet tagħha lill-ġurnalisti imma dan kollu se jsir permezz ta' online. Naraw.
She is from Malta and she's Emma Muscat.
Just so grateful to be here and it's just an amazing experience. I mean, the stage is absolutely incredible and it's going to be a great show. I'm really looking forward to it.
Hi Emma, Martin from Bradley Stoke Radio in UK here. Looking at the pictures from your rehearsal today, not only does it look incredibly bright and golden, it also looks as though you were really enjoying yourself. Did everything go as well as you hoped it would?
So yes, I mean, I was really enjoying myself. When I perform, I am literally a different person, and my true love for my music just comes out, and I think you can perceive that through my performance. Everything ran really smoothly. I'm actually really happy about that and really grateful. And there are still some surprises that you guys haven't seen yet, so I'm really excited for that.
We are. Hi Emma, it's Haktan from Focus Eurovision of Turkey. What are your career plans after Eurovision? What do you want to do?
So,
difficult question. What do you want to do after, like whatever?
Well, I've got my plans.
You got that?
Yes, exactly. I've got my second actually studio album being released on the 13th of May. It's my second album and it's called I Am Emma. And it's gonna be basically every song is a different representation of myself, different genres of music and different emotions and experiences that I've lived through. So there's gonna be the album, there's gonna be a summer full of concerts and lives. Definitely new music on the way, and one of my biggest dreams, I mean apart from Eurovision, is to take part in Sanremo one day. So if that could ever be a possibility, it would be another big dream of mine.
If you could give your 12 points this year to another contestant, who would it be and why?
Italia!
Italia! So, before you go,
Yeah?
you sang a song from Dua Lipa, and now I want to listen to your song. A little bit, just 20 seconds.
My song?
Your song.
I Am What I Am.
Yes.
Okay. This is my master plan. I'm gonna take a stand. Take it or leave it. I am what I am. I believe that I can. I'm gonna take command. Take it or leave it. I am what I am. Thank you.
That was your back vocal
Yeah, exactly.
for 30 seconds.
Fundamental. Nice one.
I love you.